Up until now, Australians have always assumed that imported cars have had the edge over locally manufactured models. Tonight, Ford Australia are about to challenge that assumption with the release of the Ford LTD and the Ford Landau, the first true luxury cars ever totally designed and developed in Australia. Ford believe that these models represent your first real alternative to imported luxury cars. Ford LTD, a classic limousine in size, spaciousness, comfort, ride. And Ford Landau, a very individual luxury car, very much a driver's car. Both totally Australian, both very distinguished, both superbly fitted throughout. For example, air conditioning and four-wheel powered disc brakes are amongst the list of impressive standard luxury equipment. Australia's most distinguished motor cars, Ford LTD, Ford Landau, awaiting your inspection now at your Ford dealer.